Welcome to Master T Math class. In this live class, we want to solve some past questions in general mathematics. So we are looking at some examination question here on general mathematics. So let's look at number one question. We have simplify 3 whole number 1/12 plus 7/8, then all divided by, here we have 2 whole number 1/4 minus 1/6. That is from here. To simplify this, we can change the mixed fraction there to improper fraction. From the numerator here, we have 12 times 3, that's 36, n plus 1, that gives us 37/12 there. Then plus, excuse me, here we still have 7/8, then divided by, also from what we have here, we change this to improper fraction. 2 times 4 times 2, 8 plus 1, that's 9/4, then minus 1/6. Then next step, we can bring the fraction together here. That is what we have up. We bring it together as one fraction here. That is the LCM. Here we have 24. That is, here just goes in 24. That's 2. Then 2 times 37, that gives us 74. Then plus 8 goes in 24. That gives us 3. And 3 times 7, we have 21. Then divided by, also here, the LCM is 12. So we have 12 as the LCM here. And 4 goes in 12, that's 3. 3 times 9, that's 27 there. Then minus 6 goes in 12, that's 2. Then times 1, that gives us 2 as well. That is, up here now, what we have becomes 95/24, then divided by, here remain 27 minus 2, that's 25, then over 12. And here we can write this. That is, this is the same thing as 95/24 divided by 25/12. And we can change division here to multiplication. Then what we have becomes 95/24 times 12 will now go up, then 25 come down. And from here, 12 can go here 1, 12 goes here 2. Also 5 goes in 25, that's 5. And 5 goes here, we have, that's 19 there. That means here, we have 19 times 1 here, that's 19. Then over 2 times 5 here, that's 10. Which implies we have 19/10 here, which is same thing as 1/9/10. So that is the simplified form of what we have on the number one question. You are watching us at Master T Math class, and thank you for joining this class. Do it to subscribe and also give a thumbs up and share this video. Now let's look at another question here. It's an exam question we are looking at. The next question here, we are to make, we are given if P equals to So number 2 question here, we have if P is equals to m over 2 minus n square over 5m. Now, the first question here says we should make n the subject of the relation, make n the subjects of the relation, then 2, find correct to 3 significant figures, the value of n. Find correct to 3 significant figures. The value of n when p equals to 14 and m equals to minus 8. Now, first thing here, we make n the subjects of the relation from what we have here. So solution from here, we are given p equals to m over 2 minus n square over 5m. Now, in order to make n a subject here, we can clear the fraction here and look at the LCM here. The LCM is going to be 10m from here. So each of these fractions here, which we have 3 fractions altogether, we can use the LCM, which is 10m, to multiply through. So here we are going to have 10m multiplied by p, then equals to 10m multiplied by m over 2, then minus, also we have 10m multiplied by n square over 5m, then which implies here this becomes 10 pm, then equals to here 2 goes here 1 and 2 goes here 5, so 5m times m, that's 5m square, then minus here m cancel each other and 5 here 1, 5 here 2, so this becomes minus 2n squared, and our interest is in n. Then we have minus 2n squared. So when we interchange from here, minus 2n squared, we can take it to the left hand side and it will become 2n squared. Then we are left to equals to 5m squared here. Also, we take 10 pm to this side and become minus 10 pm. Then our interest is just to make n stand alone. So we can divide both sides by 2 here. And here 2 cancel each other. So we have n squared will now be equals to 5m squared minus 10 pm, then all over 2. And also here, to cancel this square root, we just take the square. To cancel this square here, we take the square root on both sides. That is, here we have square root of this and square root of this. Square cancel square root here, we have n now equals to square root of 5m squared minus 10 pm, then over 2 here. So that's here we have made already our n, the subject. Now we can substitute here the value we are given. That is, for question 2, we have to find the value of n when p is 14 and m is minus 8. So when we substitute, we have n equals to square root of this will become 5m square, that's 5 times minus 8 square, then minus 10 times p is 14, so we have 14, 10 times minus 8, then divided by 2 here. So when we simplify, what we have here becomes n equals to square root of 5 times minus 8 squared, that's 64, then minus, here this multiply, minus times minus of course will become plus. Then when we multiply this, we have 10 times 14, that's 140 times 8, that gives us 0. We have 20, okay, 32 here, that's 3. Then that gives us, okay, 8 plus 3, that's 11. So we have 1120, then over 2 here. So also 5 multiply this. We have 64 times 5. We have 0, that's 30, that's 32 now. So that's, we have square root of 320 plus 1120, then over 2 here. And when we add this together, we have 320 here plus this here give us 0441. So we have square root of 1440 then over 2. Now we can check for this, that this same thing as square root of 2 goes here give us 720. Then actually when we take square root of a number, you are expected to get two possible answers, which is plus or minus. So this is going to be plus or minus in our answer here. So whenever we are taking square root, we have two possible answers, which implies that here this gives us plus or minus 26.8 from here to 3 significant figures. So that's the solution to this particular problem. So thank you for watching us here as Master T Math Class. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, and give your thumbs up. And God bless you for joining us. Now let's look at another question here. So that's number 3 now. So let's look at this. Solve the equation. Solve the equations 3x minus 2y equals to 21. And also we have 4x plus 5y equals to 5. So here we have to solve for x and y. This is simultaneous equation here. So we can use any method of our choice here to solve this. And the easy one we can use here is elimination method. So if this is equation 1 and this is equation 2, in order to eliminate any of the variable here, we must make the coefficient of the variable we are interested in to be the same. Now, if we want to eliminate x here, we must make sure that x have the same coefficient. Now, so it implies that we can multiply equation 1 by 4. Use 4 to multiply equation 1 so that this will be 12. So, and also use 3 to multiply equation 2 so that this here will also be 12. So multiply equation 2 by 3. So when you multiply equation 1 by 4, equation 1 will then become 12x then minus 8y equals to, here we have 84 on this side. So you can label it as equation 3 and also multiply equation 2 by 3. And here this becomes 12x as well, then plus 3 times 5y, that's 15y now, then equals to 3 times 5, that's 15. Label this as equation 4. Now, from this equation 3 and 4, we can eliminate the variable x here. That is, we eliminate the variable x here and we subtract, because here we have plus plus, so to eliminate we subtract. When you subtract this has been eliminated, and here you should be careful here because the sign is very important. We have minus 8y, then minus plus 15y. So it's like that become minus 8y minus 15y now, because here minus plus is same thing as minus. So minus 8y minus 15y, that gives us minus 23y, then equals to, also here we have 84 minus 15, and that becomes 69 from there. So that gives us 69 on this side. Then next step, to get y, divide both sides by minus 23, and here minus 23 cancel each other, and y is now equals to minus 3 from here. So y equals to minus 3. Then easily now we can get x and substitute x in any of the equation 1 or equation 2. So using any of the equation there, from equation 2 now, we can say from equation 2, we substitute the value of y. So equation 2 will now become 4x plus 5 times y now, which is 3 here, then equals to 5. That is, this now becomes 4x plus 5 times 3, that's 15, then equals to 5. Also, take 15 to this side, become minus. So we have 4x is now equals to 5 minus 15, which becomes 4x equals to minus 10. Then divide both sides by 4. So that here we have divided by 4, divided by 4. X, 4 cancel each other. Here, x will now be equals to minus 5 over 2 here. So that's here we have the okay, sorry, there's an error here. Y is minus 3, not just 3. So we have minus 3 here. Okay, so this become minus 15. And when it comes here, become plus. So that 5 plus 15 here, this becomes 20. And divide both sides by 4. It means here x equals to 5 from here. So that is the solution to this. So we can now say, therefore, here x equals to 5 and y is equals to minus 3. So when we check using any of the equation here, it will satisfy. So thank you for watching. Now we have solved 3 questions so far, and all of these are examination questions here. So thank you for staying tuned and for joining us. We shall continue from here in our next class, and thank you. Have a wonderful day, and bye for now.